Hey mama, it's Stephanie here. And today we're talking about one of the biggest questions you might be asking right now. Am I pregnant? Don't worry. This video is all about the early signs of pregnancy. So, if you've been wondering whether that extra tired feeling or weird food cravings are telling you something, you're in the right place. I'm Stephanie Poole, a certified lactation consultant and doula, and I help pregnant moms like you prepare for birth and breastfeeding confidently. Whether you've been trying for a while or it's just crossed your mind recently, understanding those early pregnancy signs can help you feel more prepared and in control. All right, let's dive into some of the most common early signs of pregnancy and what they might mean for you. Let's start with the obvious one, a missed period. If your cycle is usually regular and you've missed a period, this could be a huge clue. But keep in mind, stress, travel, and even changes in diet can also mess with your cycle. So, while a missed period is a good reason to take a pregnancy test, it's not the only sign. Next up, let's talk about nausea or what's often called morning sickness. Now, despite the name, morning sickness can hit at any time of the day. You might feel a little queasy when you first wake up or randomly during the day. If you're suddenly feeling off and can't really pinpoint why, especially if certain smells are turning your stomach, honey, this could be a sign. What about fatigue? Are you feeling unusually tired? Girl, that could be pregnancy knocking. In those early weeks, your body is working overtime to support you and your baby. So it's totally normal to feel like you've run a marathon just by walking up the stairs. If you're suddenly needing extra naps, this could be your body's way of letting you know. Next, let's talk about breast changes. If your breasts are feeling extra tender, sore, or even swollen, it might be more than just PMS. In the early stages of pregnancy, your body is gearing up for breastfeeding, which causes a lot of changes to happen in the breast tissue. Craving weird stuff or finding your favorite food suddenly makes you gag? Yeah, that could be another sign. Hormonal changes can cause cravings for certain foods and aversions to others. And it can start happening really early on. If you find yourself running to the bathroom more than usual, it could be a sign of pregnancy. This is because your body is increasing in blood volume, which makes your kidneys work harder and increases the need to pee. I know, fun, right? Now keep in mind, none of these signs alone guarantee you're pregnant. They're just clues that your body is giving you, and the only way to be sure is to take a pregnancy test. Speaking of tests, let's talk about timing. If you're noticing some of these symptoms, when should you actually take a pregnancy test? Ideally, wait until after you've missed your period for the most accurate results. I know it can be hard to wait, but testing too early can give you a false negative. If you're eager to know, try an early detection test, but remember that those are more accurate after a missed period. If your test comes back positive, congratulations! The next step will include scheduling your first prenatal appointment, starting your prenatal vitamins, and of course, prepping for your birth. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed, don't worry, I got you. That's exactly why I created Bump to Bundle Blueprint. My Bump to Bundle Blueprint is your step-by-step guide to preparing for birth. It helps you by creating a birth plan, giving you a childbirth class, and teaching you how to breastfeed confidently, all before your baby arrives. It's the all-in-one support system that every pregnant mom needs, and you can start right now. The link is in the description. If you're experiencing any of these early pregnancy signs, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on pregnancy, birth, and breastfeeding. Hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for hanging out with me today. You've got this, mama. I'll see you in the next video.